Alright, what we have here is the native 701 Propel drive, found in a lot of the native watercrafts. And if you're like me and get to pedaling around and you hear this little clicking noise that you swear is coming from the lower unit, it is not. It is these arms right here. They have become loose, so you need to retorque them. And the proper torque for these is 26 foot-pounds. Now if you don't have a torque wrench, you can get one of these adapters from Harbor Freight. When I got mine, they were like $9, so they're probably like 20 now. But whatever your juice is, you set the torque to 26 foot-pounds, get you a 5/16 Allen socket, and get the torquing. We'll start here. These torque adapters will beep when you reach the proper torque. There we go. And so the clicking should go away and shouldn't be there anymore. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff that the algorithms like. Till then, thank you.